Hello, the purpose of this video is for you to be able to state what the four-step format is. The four-step format is basically a method of solving word problems or any sort of math problem in anywhere. It's what we're going to use here in our science classes. It consists of 4 steps: info, formula, substitution, and solve. And the best way to show it, I think, is by just writing out the steps. So if we wanted to know what Dr. Square's ball area was, we could solve that by using the 4-step format. My first step is my info. What do I know and what do I not know? I'm looking for area, so my area is x. I know my length is 4.4 centimeters and my width is 4.4 centimeters. All right? The next step is my formula. And my formula is area is length times width. The next step is a substitution step. That's when I take this stuff and I plug it into the formula. So my area is equal to 4.4 times 4.4. And then I do the calculator. And I solve, and I get 19.36 centimeters squared. And the last step of the 4-step, or any kind of math problem, is to round. And since these have 2 sig figs, and that's got 4, these need to have 2. Excuse me. This needs to have 2, so I would round, and my answer becomes 19 centimeters. Now that's solving for area following the 4-step format. Info, formula, substitution, and solve being the final step. And I also have this thing, it's 4-step SIGI. It's for info, F for formula, S for substitution, and SIGI for solve.